Some major change just dropped in California. They passed SB 53, the Transparency in Frontier Artificial Intelligence Act. This law forces big AI developers, those earning over $500 million, to be more open. They now have to publish safety protocols, report critical incidents within 15 days, and protect whistleblowers. Why frontier models? These are the massive AI systems that use huge compute power and could cause large-scale risks. It's a big deal. For the first time, a US state is putting real guardrails around high-end AI. But there are critics. They say it might stifle innovation or favor bigger players who can absorb the cost. My take? This is smart, better to have rules than chaos. But we'll need updates, tweaks, and constant oversight. Because when AI is that powerful, we can't leave it unchecked. What do you think? Will laws like this protect us or slow the AI revolution? Leave a comment.